Need a comb that's ready to go wherever you are? Today we're checking out this clever 3-in-1 folding pocket comb. An all-in-one grooming tool you can take anywhere. The design is super smart. It folds down to just over 12 centimeters, small enough for any pocket. Unfold it, and it reveals 2 comb styles in one. A wide tooth side to detangle and style, and a fine tooth side for precise smoothing and parting. Made from durable matte plastic, it's anti-static, easy to clean, and has a firm feel. The teeth are designed to massage the scalp and groom beards gently. It can even be used as a guide for hair clippers. Perfect for travel, your gym bag, or your desk drawer. A heads up, when new, it might open stiffly, but it loosens up nicely. Also, note the first tooth is shorter, that's for easy sectioning when styling. If you want a compact, do-it-all comb that's always within reach, this one's a solid pick. Ready to tidy up on the go? Check the link in the video description below to buy yours now. Thanks for watching, and stay groomed.